Thank you. I've been in science and engineering education for a long time, and I think there's another direction in which the whole world should be going. I've advocated in other places, but I think it's a particular direction that Israel should take. A number of things have happened. Every engineering field and every scientific field and every medical field has gotten more and more elaborate. There is more and more to know, and things change faster and faster. The general university reaction to that, at least in places like Stanford, has been to increase the number of courses that the students take and to push everything down. So the students we select mostly are, well, if they're taking calculus in high school and advanced placement, in our case in physics, yes, that's what we like. So they come into bachelor's degrees, into the bachelor program already knowing calculus, and quantum mechanics, and some of them before they get their bachelor's degree, or else field theory, and then when they move into graduate school, they start specializing in cosmology or string theory or various experimental fields. And that is just wrong. The way that we should be teaching is giving students less to do and more time to enjoy life and to think, because the world changes too fast. And as they want to learn new things or go into new fields, they should do it as they're going on. You cannot prepare for history. So I think that it would be one thing that Israel could consider, but it would be experimental, you never know, is to offer then this other way of studying in which the requirements are lower. There's much more emphasis on laboratory work, not on the kind of laboratories where you have to get the right answer when you measure gravitational acceleration, but those with which you can fool with equipment. So the idea is to reduce the regular program to let students just study easily, dream, do other things, think about other fields while they're doing their primary engineering or science field. And these will be, in the end, more productive students. It does two things. For students that are having more trouble, it eases them into these scientific fields with less pressure, and they can catch up. And for the good students, they will get more creative and they will dream more. And I think that it's also a very useful thing for third world students. A particular problem in the third world is that students are always trained following, well, depending if they were an English colony following the English style or a French style, and those are both wrong. So that in my view is what Israeli education might experiment with, not completely, but in some part. And I would also like to see that happen in the United States. And I certainly, I've spoken about this particularly in Asia, Japan and China. I've again advocated this. We're simply over-educating our students now, overstuffing their brains, and they have no room to dream, no room to think.